Installation was surprisingly straightforward, and it really did install more like a traditional toilet. The only complications I had was dealing with a cast iron drain. That was no fun, but well worth it, because I was able to update this bathroom in the space of an afternoon and get the smart toilet features that I was wanting. But let's talk about performance, because obviously that's important. The HOROW N30 has an 800 gram MAP flushing performance while still keeping water usage very efficient. It also automatically flushes after you leave the seat, which is one of those convenient features that makes the bathroom feel much more modern during everyday use, and one less thing you've got to think about. And in actual use case of it, it did a really good job keeping the bowl clean without constantly needing multiple flushes. That powerful water suction on battery power is impressive. That paired with several hygiene-focused design choices that also make it easier to maintain long term.
The pre-rinse is another feature I really like. There's actually a sensor in the seat right over on this side. So when you sit down in the toilet, it senses that there's someone sitting, and then it wets the bowl there, which just makes everything flush down a lot smoother. You can use your imagination as to why that works so well. And then after you're done going, it automatically flushes, of course, when you stand up and get off the seat. And then after just a little bit, gives you time to put your toilet paper in there. There it goes, automatic flush.
You've got the nano glaze surface and sealed self-cleaning nozzle and a quick release seat for easier deep cleaning.
So to lift this whole lid off the toilet, if you want to clean it or do any maintenance, you're going to turn off the water supply valve first, and then you'll hold on both sides with two hands, and you're going to lift straight up. Just kind of take a firm grip and pull straight up, and it will come off the clips. Then you can undo the two hoses in the back and completely remove the entire lid if you want to do like a thorough deep cleaning on it. And then as for the two nozzles, you just lift the flap and you can pull them out individually to clean them, and that makes it super convenient to make sure everything stays nice and clean.
Now obviously this isn't trying to compete with the ultra high-end luxury smart toilets loaded with electronics.